Just a journalist here. Media on scene. You can be at ease. Okay guys, we're on scene of got a Dodge Ram pickup truck versus a tree collision. Got Blackman Leone on scene, JCA on scene. Got an injured person. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for stopping in, guys. So there's not a lot of good lighting out here. We're out in, this is like out in the country, out in the sticks, so we're gonna have to be careful. You know, once vehicles start coming in. Appreciate you. Thanks for stopping in. We're out here on a Copwatch. Can't really. Try and get you another angle. Got two Blackman Leone units on scene here. So it's a little bit cooler out here tonight. It's around 40s. We got a canine unit out here. Oh, this cop right here is this cop's a dangerous cop right here. If you're a homeless guy, watch out for this cop. This cop right here, I'm not gonna go into it right now, but he's a canine cop now. They should have. Not going to go into it. This canine cop, he's one of several cops from this department that have taken another person's, you know what. Here comes some cars coming. I'm going to have to move here, guys. Got cars coming. Have to move for a minute. Oh, here's a road right here. Got a little road right here. I might be able to get a little bit safer spot here. May not have as good of an angle, I don't know, but You guys mind give me a little comment about what happened, or you guys mind give me a little no comments. No comments for the press. I'll wait till his lights go out. His lights are on still. I should have waited till he still got his lights on. He's not going to give me a comment. He won't give me no comment. This cop right here is dangerous, guys. Real dangerous cop right here. Norris, can I get a comment? Can I get a comment? Look at that, guys. No comments or nothing. These guys, that cop right there, he shot a homeless guy, unarmed homeless guy. So here's where the truck hit the tree. Alright guys, you can see how dark it is out here. It's pitch black out here. Thanks for stopping in. Looks like we're gonna wrap this Copwatch up. Appreciate you guys stopping in. They let him drive off. He hit a tree, and I don't know if he must have not been under any influence. They let him drive off. So police wouldn't answer any questions from members of the media. So the police, I don't know what their problem is, but they don't want anyone out here keeping an eye on them. I can see why, because that canine officer is a danger. That canine officer is a danger to society. So we're gonna wrap this up, guys. Thanks for stopping in, as always. Thank you for watching Freedom News Now. We'll see you on the next one. Freedom News Now, we're out. The Thin Blue Line Flag of Tyranny shirt is finally here. This high quality limited edition comfort soft tee comes in several styles and sizes. Easily shop online for official merch at the Freedom News Now store. Click the link in the description. Order yours now.